What I wish I knew at 6:00 a.m. this morning. Chatunga Mugabe, son of the late Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe, has been arrested in Beitbridge for violent conduct. The incident unfolded at a roadblock in Bubi, about 80 kilometers north of the border town, early this morning. Mugabe, accompanied by a Chinese driver, allegedly became agitated when police asked for vehicle documentation. Witnesses report that Mugabe shouted at the officers, questioning their awareness of his identity, before physically assaulting one of them. It's claimed that he grabbed a support unit officer by the collar, tearing his shirt buttons, and even brandished a knife. Chief Superintendent Masulian Cube confirmed the arrest, but provided no further details. This isn't the first time Chatunga Mugabe has faced legal issues, reminding us that some legacies are hard to shake. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.